Alright, so finally we are ready. Yeah, 9th of November. So we are all leaving, all packed up, and Prasad here, very good company, and without him it was almost impossible for me. It was almost impossible for me to get anything in Bangalore. Aniket, Amar, and he is facing that word, so you know that guy. Alright, so we are all set and just trying to escape out of the Bangalore city. It's maddening traffic, and we got late actually, so it's almost 9:45 AM now. So we got late last night because we had to collect my jacket. So you guys know I picked up a new jacket, but it was very tedious task to select one. Finally I found the one I was looking for, so that was good thing. End of the day we got all the things done that we were planned. So yeah, it should take maybe 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour, because it's peak traffic hours here. Yeah, the major update is we are not heading to Munnar, we're going to COORG, and that should be around 240 kilometers from here. Alright folks, we just fueled up and we have hit the Mysore highway. We are looking for a restaurant now because we still haven't had our breakfast, and it's almost 10 o'clock. Never been on this highway, should be a good one. So hey, this. So this is the Mysore Expressway. So right here, we reached the restaurant here. Okay guys, so we are all set and finished our breakfast. Now we are heading to Madikeri, and should be a distance of like 230 kilometers, 220 kilometers, yeah. So let's go. Mandya, and we have covered close to 70 kilometers, and still around 145 left. So we are in Srinivasapatna, just having some dinka because we have completely dehydrated and wanted to get some refreshment. Okay, we are here somewhere
near to Madikeri, just about 32 kilometers off from Madikeri. It's been good ride. Only thing is there's a lot of traffic and many people, they keep crossing the roads every now and then. I mean, every 1 or 2 kilometers you see people crossing the road, so one needs to be very careful. So it's another last 32 kilometers for today, and then we'll not be riding. We haven't even booked our hotel. We thought like it's off season, so we'll go and book it anyways. So I'm almost 700 kilometers away from home. Yesterday we rode 500. Today it's another 250. Right folks, we are just 20 kilometers away from Madikeri. The roads are simply amazing. Lush greenery all around and these twisty roads. The Africa twin is having fun. Look at the view around. Wow. I feel at home. This is Sunti Kopa. This place reminds me some villages in Leh Ladakh area. Okay, so we are going towards a homestay. It's a hill stay actually, with a small cottage. We just booked it from Madikeri, and now we are heading to an exciting place where it's full greenery and total peace. You can just go ahead and relax. Right, so finally we have reached our homestay. This looks to be a remote location, but they promise a spectacular experience here. अरे Africa twin का रोड आ गया, ऑफ रोड कर रहा हूँ. Finally, worth it. This is built in 1947.
No. 47 years old.
1970.
There is a house which belongs to a family.
Okay.
A full family that is almost 200 years old.
We are resting here at the homestay. Beautiful location. Absolutely rustic. Yeah, I just took a shower and got fresh. Was tired, riding all day through the traffic, high traffic, everything. Now, yeah, we are having some corn. Hope you can see it. Nice sweet corn. Nice. Here are our bikes parked. Let me show you inside. There are totally 4 rooms in this cottage. Here's one room and there's another. Pretty decent. I really love this room. Complete relaxation. Now he's gonna give us some fresh chicken starters. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and stay tuned. There are a lot more videos coming. Until then, good night, take care, bye bye.